This truck right here. He in there. He good. Nigga scary as fuck. Like, yeah, get out and look, homie. See what you about to get yourself into. I'm trying to get ready for a shower. This nigga here, like, who mans is this? This nigga is wild. We're gonna try this again. You got it, nigga, in there. Like, bro, back shit up. Like, just don't hit my mirror, though. This shit, he right here. Like, the nigga got it. All he gotta do is get close on that side, slide it down there, like boom, bam, bam. Look at the extra shit. For what? Wow. And you holding niggas up. Look.